Parts Shop. My name is David. Today in the shop we have the brand new cab corner trim kit from Trim Parts that fits the Chevrolet square body trucks. There's no doubt that the Chevrolet square body truck is popular right now. The problem with trucks was that back in the day they were used as pickup trucks. They hauled a lot of stuff. They were rode hard and put away wet. That what trim they did have was soft and fragile. Typically it was located on the tailgate and right beneath the back window, right in the line of fire for anything that was in the cargo bed. So that part typically got beat up, and today it looks bad. Before we even take a look at the product, I want to say something about this box. Now, how many times have you gotten parts delivered to your house from UPS or FedEx with parts sticking out of the box, damaged parts, missing parts? Well, Trim Parts has gone long yard on this box. As a matter of fact, what they did is they designed a special box for this part that's triangle. And as I believe we remember from our high school geometry class, triangles are some of the strongest shapes around. So by being triangulated, this box is less likely to get bent, crushed, or damaged when put into the back of a truck and have another box placed on top of it. You can tell a lot about what a manufacturer thinks of its parts by how it packages it. And I have to say, this box is one of the most ingenious boxes I've ever seen anything come in. And I've gotten a lot of parts before. So let's open it up, take a look at it, see how it's packaged, and then take a look at the part. So let's pop this baby open and see what makes it special. First thing we're going to do is pull the opening flap open. Reinforced tape. And take a look inside. What you have here are your cap corners, your aluminum cap corners, all your mounting hardware. They've included a template with this kit for trucks that did not originally come with this so that you can mount it. This template accurately locates the holes that you would need to drill if you wanted to add this part to a truck that didn't originally have it. So you've got the cab corners located in these little windows on the side of this box. And then when you lift the flap up, there is the aluminum trim piece secured in here with tabs. Really an impressive box. Okay, enough about the box. Let's take a look at the parts. So what you get in the Trim Parts kit for the Chevrolet square body truck is actually 3 components of aluminum, the mounting hardware, and a template to add it. So what you get is the back piece. This back piece has the correct finish and has the stripes here are painted on and not decals, just like the factory did. Very cool. You get the cab corners that have the correct bow tie logo in the correct color, and also again the painted stripes, not tape. You get all the mounting hardware. You get the plastic spring clips, then you get the 2 metal end spring clips with the speed nuts included. Also, you get the small miniature screws that you need to put your plastic clips on if yours are bad. Literally everything that you could need to put this kit on your truck, whether it has it or not now, is included in this box. Now, Trim Parts went ahead and produced a new tooling to produce these parts because the GM tooling is long since gone. What is most impressive perhaps is what you don't see, which is on the back side of these moldings. The intricacy of the bends, the completeness, the deburred finish is nothing short of amazing. These parts truly are darn near car jewelry. This molding kit and all the Trim Parts emblems, lenses, and moldings that are made for the square body Chevrolet trucks and also Ford, GM, and Mopar American muscle cars can be found at First Place Auto Parts. Simply type in FP Auto Parts into your search engine and it'll take you to our easy-to-use, customer-focused website where you will find these parts and a whole lot more to get your ride on the road. Thanks for joining me in the First Place Auto Parts Shop today, and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. We'll continually add new product installation videos and also product review videos that may be a benefit when it comes time to buying parts for your car or installing them on your ride. Until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.